So the rain is in the horizon. You hear this? Thunder. So right now I'm in this magnificent home and plantation. This home is one for the books. It sits on a little bit under an acre. It comes fully furnished. You got the main house right here, and then you have this area right here with 2 more bedrooms. I believe the house is about 6 bedrooms. It is on the market for 2.6, like I said, fully furnished with FENDI Furniture. And look at this. Who wouldn't want a basketball court? And you could see the Jordan and the Jordan logo, whatever that represents Jordan in there. So this is really a nice touch. And then of course you got the spiral staircase that leads you to upstairs. Now the reason why I started on the outside, I wanted to really allow you to understand how lush of a backyard you have. You have all this greenery, you have palm trees all over the place, you know, you have your hot tub. It's like a serious oasis right here. You have massive, what are those, Corinthian column? I don't know, some kind of column. And you even have greenery, just like, you know, one of those Italian, French type of homes. You have greenery growing on the column. That's a nice touch. You have mood lighting at nighttime. So enough of me talking, let me take you inside. So like I said, this is fully furnished with FENDI Furniture. So again, you have a whole covered patio right here. So although the rain is coming, I could sit right here and entertain, and I will not get wet. And this is ample of space. And then here, if you look, I like the fact that you have 5 tropical fans that's actually going to keep you cool. And if you look, the fans are reflective of the ceiling. That's a nice touch right here. So you have the bamboo in the ceiling and the same type of wicker or whatever it is. So I will take you guys inside in a moment. The front door of the house. So if I turn around, as you enter, you have your grand salon right here. You have your kitchen to the right. And then you have a big master bedroom right here. As I walk around, you'll see the FENDI furniture that come with the house. The house is fully furnished. Nice sitting area. Look at this. This bedroom is massive. This is at least a 30 by 30, if my calculation is right, or even bigger. And let me take you to the master bathroom. So on your way to the master bathroom, you obviously will pass the his and hers closet. Massive space for your garments. And this is your celestial, majestic bathroom. Jetted tub. This is so massive. I mean, look at this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, over 10 steps just to get on the other side. Double sink. And I like the glass tile. And who's this beautiful lady walking in? Are you ready?
Ready for what?
To go and have like a shower party.
Isn't that amazing?
This is so massive. And then it's electronic, guys. You literally can control the shower with this pad right here. Different jet. Massive.
Did you tell them that this home comes with furniture?
Yes, I told them.
Wow.
Not just any furniture. Guess what kind of furniture? FENDI furniture. There's even like a crocodile chair that I'm gonna show them. And this is your water closet right here. So fully enclosed. So when you're speaking to John, if your wife is taking a bath, she doesn't have to know what you're saying to John. So anyway. So this is, another thing. Also with the master bedroom, it actually leads to the backyard. And one thing I failed to tell you, if you look right here, you even have like a golf course right here. Let me see if I can zoom that in for you. So not only you could play a game of golf in your own backyard, you could play basketball and whatever have you. So let's go to the kitchen. I gotta show you the crocodile furniture. Did I show this to you? No, here's another closet right here too that I forgot to show you. This used to be, what did he say this used to be again? Because I forgot. So this used to be an office and then it got converted to more closet space, which is awesome. Okay, and then let me show you the kitchen. This is a real crocodile chair that I was referring to. This is real croc. So those in itself, they're $30,000 a piece. So if you know anything about crocodile, you understand why it's so pricey. And you have a nice massive island where your gas are already situated with appliances. And I really love the bluishness of this counter. I don't know what kind of counter this is. I will find out for you. The sink is right here. You have built-in appliances in there. And the wall is a nice pebble wall. Again, if you know anything about construction, to do a pebble wall, all those pebbles had to be put one by one. This is not the sheeted one, obviously. So this is the one you literally have to place it the right way and make sure they fit. And there's a nice breakfast nook right here. Another sitting area overlooking the pool. Again, more luxurious furniture. Everything you see in this video goes with the property. And this is a nice family room. The ceiling height is over 20 feet. And off the family room, you have the theater room. Theater room can sit 10 people comfortably. So you better find 10 friends. And this is at least over 100 inches screen. And look at the starry sky. And obviously I don't need to go into the specific about, soundproofing and blah, blah, blah. So this has the state-of-the-art projector. Well, you can see it is dark in here. But that's a great touch. And that's right off the sitting area. And then, right here, you have another bedroom. With a nice built-in headboard. I just wanted to show you how this is done. You could see, this is just like a panel. And then the cushion part is recessed into it. And you get a nice view of the courtyard. Again, massive ceiling heights. You have a massive mirror in here. Everything is coming in the deal. You have nice sliding doors for the bathroom that supports it. Do have it sink. And this has a built-in beater in there. But that's irrelevant. You don't care for that. And look at the nice mosaic wall. Just wanted to give you an idea of how that looks like. And then the closet is right here. So what am I missing, Carsa? So I see this bedroom here. I see the master here. No, how do I get to upstairs? Do I need to go outside?
Follow him. I think he went around there.
No, I'll wait till he comes out. Yeah. But I'm gonna show you this portion of the house because remember we already saw the bedroom right here, so we're gonna go upstairs and see it. I feel like I'm missing another bedroom here.
This way around here by the laundry room.
Oh yes. So here around the kitchen. Now look at this right here. Look at the sink configuration. This is really awesome. And your faucet is from a floor to, it's actually floor affixed. It's not coming from the wall. So if you know anything about those type of fixtures, they exude luxury. And this is a massive 9 or 10 foot door. It's really massive, just for your bathroom. And then enter the bedroom around here. So there's another bathroom here, double sink, plenty of cabinetry, sliding doors. Again, look at this wallpaper. So all of those bathrooms have a different theme, which I really like. There's also another, this could be a bedroom, or you could turn this into an office. It does have a closet, but I think this was set up as an office. So obviously, if you have this as a bedroom, this will be a supporting bathroom. And then you have the laundry area right here, / security. So behind those doors are the washing machine and dryer. And then you have another bedroom here. So let me see, can I get the light to come on? I don't know why the light is not coming on, but nonetheless, sorry about that, I can't get it to come on. I don't know. But anyway, this is one bedroom right here. So basically, literally, you could have this as a maid quarter, one of those bedrooms, and then this could be an office or however you wanna set it up. So this is one bedroom. This is another one. This is laundry. This leads to the garage, and then you have 2 bathrooms that support those 2 bedrooms. So this is one, and then you have another one. So really, if you wanted to partition this whole corner, you could literally build a door here if you wanted to have this whole area partitioned. So that's a thought. Okay, so we're gonna go upstairs. Alright, then you wanna access upstairs. Obviously, you could use the spiral staircase, but if you're inside of the house, one of the way you access upstairs, you go through the theater room right here, behind this door, and then you access upstairs. So let's go upstairs. I gotta make those calves work. Now, standing here, you have a majestic view of your property. Just wanted to share that with you, which is really amazing. Sitting area, and then this is the apartment upstairs. You could have mother-in-law living here. You could have a college student living here. I don't know, you could Airbnb this maybe. You know, it's a fully functionable apartment. So the fridge goes right here. You could get a bigger fridge or whatever it is. There's a built-in microwave and, you know, and so on. So this is a nice studio apartment. And even the bathroom has the same wall treatment as the others. Okay. So this is the front of the house. Like I said, that's on the market for 2.6. 3-car garage. It's raining, and rain is a sign of prosperity. So definitely this house needs to be yours. So contact me and let me know how I can make this yours. Yes, no rain stops me when it comes to showing a house. Hello. There.